iAT is a patent-pending autonomous test automation product developed by iAssist Innovations Labs, an IT research organization.
An unique product developed giving complete autonomy to the business users, where a test automation can happen without any technical know-how.
It empowers business to plan, prepare, define, write, schedule, execute, and fix scripts without any technical knowledge.
iAT is a powerful AI-enabled complete testing suite that comes with 3 core modules. 1. The data preparation module, 2nd, the script generation module, and 3rd, the script execution module. There are 4 optional modules, such as AutoHeal, a full-fledged reporting engine, the stealth mode that sniffs any issue with the application module and has the capability to fix it on its own, and auto-scoping module which identifies the extent of testing needs, post a patch or a change.
Let's have a closer look at the few released modules. The data preparation module has the capability to create data sets from execution steps performed by a business users, creates data templates on its own so that additional data can be uploaded in Excel sheet, and also has ability to create its own dataset by randomizing it. The auto script generator has the ability to understand the steps performed by the users and generate script on its own. The execution engine has multiple features such as scheduling the scripts, executing them, and also takes care of sensitive issues like segregation of duties. iAutonomous Test, ITA, has been designed carefully by the researchers at iAssist Innovations Labs by utilizing the best of the patent-pending technology platform, which a one-stop shop for all automation needs. An AI-based platform that leverages best of different technologies and can outperform any established test automation suite.
Let's see a quick demo. iAT has the ability to work on the web as well as on a standalone application. The training of the product has 2 phases. First, the technical team does a one-time training for an application, and then business users can record their steps as per their business needs without any help of the technical team any number of times. So, once the technical team completes the one-time configuration for an application, during the implementation, business users record their work by clicking on the record button and save it as a process or activity. The process can be understood as a complete workflow in itself. An activity is simply a step of a workflow. However, there is no restriction that an activity cannot be run alone by the execution engine. The demo in the video is for a use case from insurance industry. We have created our own application and named it SSP, and the process that is recorded below is the quote issuance process. Once the business user saves the recording as a process or an activity, the platform generates the script and also creates a data template on its own, which can be downloaded from the data preparation module as an Excel sheet and updated with a different set of records, as per business needs, and finally uploaded back to the platform. The execution engine understands it and runs for the new set of data provided. It picks the new records and performs the same set of steps on its own. Once the steps are performed, a screenshot is taken and a report is generated based on pass or failure of the record. Coming back to the process and activity, at this level users can create a custom workflow with activities or take a process and run them end to end. They have the flexibility to run the process or activity with the dataset that they had used while recording, or can use a new one. The datasets are picked based on the workflow created and users can download it from the data preparation module. Let's see how it works in the video. The execution engine, as mentioned earlier, is the place where a business user decides which script to execute. Should an activity be run or a process? When it's an activity, is there a need for clubbing multiple activities and create a custom workflow? Is there a need to run the script from the existing dataset or a new dataset? In this example, the user is using an existing dataset and uploading it to run for the same set of data that was used while recording. It captures the time spent and gives confirmation of successful completion in the form of a report and screenshot. Let's see how it works in the demo.
Once a process or an activity is recorded, the users are expected to review what they have recorded and confirm the steps. This is a mandatory step. Once this step is executed, users can view the template created by the iAT platform, which can be used by the users to change the data while executing it.
The execution engine, as mentioned earlier, is the place where a business user decides which script to execute. Should an activity be run or a process? When it's an activity, is there a need for clubbing multiple activities and create a custom workflow? Is there a need to run the script from the existing dataset or a new dataset? In this example, the user is using an existing dataset and uploading it to run for the same set of data that was used while recording. It captures the time spent and gives confirmation of successful completion in the form of a report and screenshot. Let's see how it works in the demo. This is the first release of iAT, and in this release of the product, the basic reporting features have been added. Few of the important features, such as collecting the evidences of testing, sharing the status of the report, are available. Segregation of duties has been added with minimum functionality in this release to ensure data protection and privacy issues are taken care of. This comes with the user management. Thank you for spending time and watching this video. Please do reach out to us for inquiries. Thanks again and stay safe.